Welcome back to Joe's Moto Venture. I've got here a 2013 Harley Davidson Tri Glide. The couple that owns this is actually planning on taking a trip out to Sturgis this year, so they've asked me to just go through it and make sure everything's ready to go. So starting out, we're going to do your normal 3-hole service, so engine, oil filter, transmission fluid, primary fluid. But we're also going to just look the bike over real well. We're going to check brake pads, wheel bearings, belt tension, and just make sure everything's ready to go for them. We're also going to do a full brake fluid flush on this bike. Stay tuned. Next week, I'll do the full service on this bike, and then the following week, I'll do a video strictly on brake fluid flush. So under the back end of the bike, there are tow hooks that are just chain links welded underneath the frame. There's one on the left and right side of the bike. And I've seen some other solutions for how to jack the bike up, but the area around that tow hook makes a really good spot to jack up, but you don't want to jack up directly on the tow hook. So I've seen other people take a 4x4 piece of wood and carve a notch in it to slide around that tow hook. But what I found is a piece of 2-inch square tubing with 1/4-inch wall thickness. The hook will actually fit diagonally inside of here really well. So this is about 4 inches long, and like I said, it's 2-inch square tubing with 1/4-inch wall thickness. I had one piece of this laying around, so I duplicated it so that I could jack both sides up at the same time, or if I want to, I can do them individually. Okay, so I got the bike up in the air. I took the wheels off after I set it down on jack stands just so we could get a better visibility here. There's a swing arm under here that kind of V's off to both sides of the axle, and it makes a real good place to set the bike down on the jack stands. You can still get the wheels off with the suspension compressed, so it works out real well. Okay, so right here we're just inside of where the wheel mounts, just outside of where the muffler is, and there's that chain link that I was talking about that's welded on. So this piece of tubing just fits nice around that, and it really locks in around that piece of chain link. So this makes a real good jack point. I've got it set up on the other side on top of the jack, so it'll just sit right on the pad of the jack and right around that chain link. Okay, so now that we have the back of the bike up, we're ready to jack the front up. So like I said, this is just like jacking up any normal Harley touring bike. You got a frame rail on either side of the bike. We're going to use our pancake jack and just make sure we're making contact with both sides there. The only thing we really have to look out for here is this cable that's hanging down. So we just want to make sure we stay behind that. So I'll just run the jack up close, make sure I'm lined up. And then you can use a drill like I am or a ratchet. And just run that up. And that's that easy to get the front of the bike off the ground. All right, so that's how you jack up a Harley Davidson Tri Glide. I hope this information was helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.